Sustainability in fashion mostly prominently refers to the environmental impact of making, raw material creation, processing and manufacture, wearing and caring for use and the disposal of clothes, which is end use. The goal of sustainable fashion is for brands to prioritize accountability and transparency in addition to quality. Sustainability is so important nowadays. Even most of the businesses are following sustainability to prevent waste, also help the business to increase productivity and also gain profit. According to a brief given, we were instructed to choose 3 or more different fabrics, which is off-cuts. So we decided to choose 3 different type of fabrics, which are the off-cut. These fabrics are cotton fabric, suede fabric, as well as denim fabric. The idea that came first to our mind was the baguette, which is also known as Ipanama, which is made up of 3 different fabrics, which is mentioned about, such as cotton fabric, suede fabric, and denim fabric. The main reason of using cotton and suede fabric is that the fabric is providing comfort, also is soft, and the denim fabric is durable, also is strong, and it provides cool. Also, denim fabric absorbs sweat well, and it brings comfort to the people who is wearing During the construction, we started to draft the pattern for the baguette. The process didn't take much time because it wasn't difficult to draft them. The second step was cutting the pattern pieces, and the final step was to fuse the pattern pieces for the preparation for sewing.
Let me take over to what my colleague has stated above. I'll cover the sewing process, assembly, finishing, and the conclusion. Firstly, we had to cut out the rectangles together, right side touching, sew out the both narrow ends using 1,27 seam allowance. We had to repeat the step for the second inner fabric. Pin and sew the brim pieces together, pin the outer brim pieces together, right side facing in, sew along the narrow straight ends using 1,27 seam allowance. Press the seams open on the body and brim piece. Place one of the body pieces and on the ironing board with the seams facing you. Press the seams open and flat. Okay, then we have to pin and sew the body pieces to the circle. Ensure that you pin the top edge of the outer body piece to the outer edge of the matching circle. Ensure that the round edge you're using 1,27 seam allowance. You have to repeat the steps also into the 2 inner fabrics. Also pin and sew the brim to the body. Pin the inner edge of the matching brim all around the bottom edge of the body pieces. On assembly, step 1, we had to tuck one hat into the other. Step 2, we had to pin and sew around the outer edge of the brim. Step 3, we had to cut the notches into the seam to reduce the bulkiness of the fabric.
After the finishing step, we ironed our product, and this is the final product.